Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Today we're going way back. No, not to that time I tried making my own sourdough starter. Spoiler alert, it didn't go well. We're talking about Grandma's wisdom. Those old school life hacks that never get old. You know, the kind of stuff they just don't teach you in school. We've got 20 tried and true tips straight from Grandma's recipe box that are gonna make you say, why didn't I think of that? Get ready to upgrade your life. The old-fashioned way. Let's do this. Alright, first up we're tackling those pesky stickers and price tags that just won't budge. You know the ones they leave that gooey residue that seems impossible to get rid of. But hold on to your hats folks, because Grandma's got a secret weapon: peanut butter. That's right, the same stuff you put on your sandwiches is about to become your new cleaning best friend. Just dab a little bit on the sticky spot. Let it sit for a few minutes to work its magic, and then wipe it clean. Bam, no more sticky situation. It's like magic, but with peanuts. Next up, we're going to the pantry for this one. Have you ever reached for your brown sugar only to find it's turned into a solid brick? Don't you hate it when that happens? Grandma feels your pain, and she's got the sweetest solution: marshmallows. Just toss a couple of marshmallows into your brown sugar container and seal it up tight. The marshmallows will magically absorb excess moisture and keep your brown sugar soft and scoopable. It's like a little humidity spa for your brown sugar. And if you're feeling extra adventurous, you can always eat the marshmallows once they've done their job. No judgment here. Okay, let's talk about stale bread for a sec. It's the worst, right? But don't throw it out just yet. Grandma's got a magic trick up her sleeve to bring that bread back to life. Just sprinkle a little water on your sad, crusty loaf, pop it in the oven at a low temperature for a few minutes, and voila! You've got yourself a warm, soft, and delicious loaf of bread again. It's like hitting the reset button on staleness. It's perfect for toast, croutons, or just eating warm with butter. Yum! Now let's talk about silverware. Grandma always had the shiniest silverware in town, and her secret weapon was baking soda. That's right, this pantry staple isn't just for baking. To make your silverware sparkle like new, simply make a paste of baking soda and water, rub it onto your tarnished silverware, and then rinse it off. The baking soda gently lifts away tarnish, leaving your silverware looking shiny and new. Grandma would be so proud. We've all been there. You're chopping up some garlic for dinner and then bam! Your hands smell like garlic for the rest of the day. But don't worry, Grandma's got you covered. To neutralize those pungent odors, simply rub your hands on a stainless steel surface like your sink or a spoon under cold water. The stainless steel magically neutralizes the sulfur compounds that cause those lingering smells. It's like a breath of fresh air for your hands. Oh no, your zipper is stuck. Don't panic, Grandma's got a quick fix for that. Grab a regular graphite pencil and rub it along the teeth of the zipper. The graphite acts as a lubricant, helping the zipper to slide up and down smoothly again. It's like magic, but with a pencil. And the best part is, you probably already have everything you need to fix it right in your desk drawer. Okay, let's talk about ice cream. There's nothing worse than digging into a pint of your favorite ice cream only to find it's covered in freezer burn. But don't despair, Grandma's got a simple solution: plastic wrap. To prevent freezer burn, simply press a piece of plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the ice cream before putting the lid on. This creates a barrier to prevent ice crystals from forming and keeps your ice cream fresh and delicious. We've all been there. You get distracted for a minute, and the next thing you know, there's a layer of burnt food stuck to the bottom of your pot. But don't worry, Grandma's got the perfect solution. Just fill the pot with water, add a generous amount of baking soda, and bring it to a boil. The baking soda will fizz away the burnt food, making it super easy to clean. Grandma's a lifesaver. Uh-oh, someone spilled red wine on the carpet. Don't panic, Grandma's got this. The key is to act fast. Blot up as much of the wine as you can with a clean cloth, then generously sprinkle salt over the stain. The salt will absorb the remaining wine, making it much easier to clean up later. Chapter 10. Cracked eggs, vinegar works wonders. Ever notice how Grandma's boiled eggs always turn out perfectly smooth? Her secret? Vinegar. Adding a splash of vinegar to the boiling water helps to prevent the eggs from cracking. Plus, it makes them easier to peel. Chapter 11. Cookies gone stale. Apple to the rescue. Want to keep your cookies fresh and chewy? Grandma says to toss a slice of bread in with them. The bread will help to absorb excess moisture and keep your cookies soft and delicious. Chapter 12. Clogged drain, baking soda and vinegar to the rescue. Don't you hate it when the drain's clogged? Before you reach for the harsh chemicals, try this grandma-approved solution. Pour a cup of baking soda down the drain, followed by a cup of vinegar. Let it fizz for about 30 minutes, then flush with hot water. The baking soda and vinegar work together to break down clogs and neutralize odors. Got a sweater covered in pills? Don't toss it out. Grandma says to grab a razor. Carefully shave the pills off your sweater for an instant refresh. Just be gentle and avoid any snags. Keep pesky pantry pests at bay with this simple trick. Place a few bay leaves in your flour, rice, and other dry goods. The scent of bay leaves repels bugs naturally. Ran out of buttermilk for your favorite recipe? No problem. Make your own by adding a tablespoon of lemon juice or vinegar to a cup of milk. Let it sit for a few minutes and voila, you've got buttermilk. Kids got a little carried away with the crayons? Don't worry, toothpaste can help. Put a dab of toothpaste on a damp cloth and gently rub the crayon marks. The toothpaste acts as a mild abrasive to lift away the crayon. Tired of your bathroom mirror fogging up after a shower? Rub a thin layer of shaving cream on the mirror and wipe it clean. The shaving cream creates a barrier that prevents fogging. Don't you hate it when your avocados brown so quickly? To keep cut avocados fresh, leave the pit in and brush the flesh with lemon juice or olive oil. Store it in an airtight container in the fridge. Got stubborn coffee or tea stains on your favorite mugs? Make a paste of baking soda and water and scrub the stains. The baking soda will lift away the stains, leaving your mug sparkling clean. Not sure if your eggs are still fresh? Fill a bowl with cold water and gently place the eggs in the bowl. If the eggs sink to the bottom, they're fresh. If they float, it's time to toss them out. And there you have it, folks. 20 timeless life hacks straight from Grandma's treasure trove of wisdom. These old-fashioned tips and tricks are all about working smarter, not harder, and saving a little time, money, and hassle along the way. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. See you next time.